Trade update, boys, in CAD JPY. Look at that. Look at this. Exactly what I've said has happened to the perfection. Like, let me just give me a 1 minute for this market is not working, not loading. What the? I shouldn't say this. So look at this. I am literally. I'm a god of market. Okay, if I say that will happen, it's going to go up. That will happen. But how will happen? I'm working on it. Okay, literally. Look at this. Look at this. I have literally said that it is going to go up. But I was waiting for the price, this black line to create the up till over here. Then I can able to take the trade to the upside. It haven't came. I haven't took this trade. But is it beautiful to take the trade right now? Absolutely fucking not. It needs to create the red candle to a downside candlestick closure on the area of interest on over here, then we are going to take the trade to the upside. Right now, nah. Let's then the next in the next video we are going to check what the Euro JPY is doing.